Hey, welcome back to the Regular Joe. It's another hot Oklahoma Saturday, so we're going to keep it simple, staying inside and the AC running and firing up the pellet grill and putting on a rack of spare ribs. Nothing fancy, no restaurant tricks, just good food you can make at home. Super easy. This cost me $10, cheap as well. One thing I've learned is that great barbecue isn't about spending a fortune, about taking your time, using simple ingredients, and letting the smoker do the work. We've got about 3 ingredients. Today, we're seasoning these ribs, getting them on the grill, and seeing just how good they turn out. It'll take us about 5 hours to get this done, so grab a cold one, cold root beer, what I'm gonna have, get comfortable, and let's do some cooking with some ribs. Get going. Before these ribs ever hit the smoker, you gotta spend a few minutes getting them ready. I'm trimming off all the loose pieces that will just burn up, taking away some of the thicker fat so the seasoning can do its job, cleaning up those edges so there aren't any thin corners that will dry out before the rest of the rack is finished. It's not about making them look perfect, it's about giving yourself the best chance at an even cook from one end of the rack to the other. A little prep now makes a big difference in a few hours from now. Once they're cleaned up, it's time to get some seasoning on them and let that smoker take over. Let's go. Seasoning the ribs is pretty dang simple today. I'm starting with a layer of coarse black pepper, then following up with Matt Pittman's Meat Church Holy Gospel Seasoning. It's the best. One tip I always try to follow is to hold that shaker about 18 inches above the meat. That gives you a nice even spread instead of dumping too much seasoning in one spot. Cover both sides evenly, let the rub stick, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Simple flavors, good smoke, and great ribs. It's time to get them on the smoker. After seasoning up the ribs, time to get the smoker going. Put this thing on at about 225 degrees. Let it get warmed up, get it smoking. Lift the lid and stick that rack of ribs on there and let them cook. Don't open the lid till around 3 hours. Let it go slow and take care of a few chores while you're waiting on your meat to get done. Those ribs just bend and almost fall apart. You know they are ready to take off the grill, and they look like that. So now we take them off, smother that aluminum foil in some barbecue sauce to put on the sauce, wrap them up, stick them in the cooler for about, 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on how well you want to wait. And after that, it's time to eat. Couldn't wait any longer, so I had to get these ribs out and give them a try. So here they are, all nice and juicy. Take some of that extra sauce that's on the foil, pour it on top of the ribs, and there you go. Your meal is ready. ribs, all done. Took about 5 hours to get this thing all cooked up. Let's give her a try and see if it's worth the wait. It's falling off the bone for sure. Super good. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you click that like and subscribe button. We'll get some more out really soon. I'm going to try some more recipes in the near future and hope you join in. Appreciate it. Have a good one.